Cut off both ends of the onion and peel it. Slice the onion thinly. Slightly crush the garlic to separate the cloves easily. Cut off the ends of the garlic so that it's easier to peel when crushed. Chop the garlic into small and thin pieces. Cut off the ends of the carrots and peel them. Then cut the carrots into small pieces. Peel the potatoes and also cut them into small pieces. Slice the red bell pepper in half. Afterward, slice it lengthwise into thin strips. Open 2 cans of beef loaf. And using a cheese slicer, we can cut the beef loaf to its proper size. Here's what it looks like now. I'll add pineapple chunks to give it a twist. Remove the syrup. Afterward, cut the pineapple chunks into small pieces as well. Prepare the pan with a little oil that I used to fry the hot dog. So the garlic and onion. Add the ground pork. Pour the thinly sliced carrots. Then, add the diced potatoes. The beef loaf sliced into small pieces. I added pineapple chunks for a little twist. Add 1 piece shrimp cube optional. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And finally, add the finely chopped red bell pepper. Add water to create a sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavor. Cover and boil for 30 minutes until soft and tender. Now, let's open the lid after 30 minutes. To give it some color, let's add ketchup. Add some more ketchup. Delicious! It's now ready and done. Plating time. Enjoyed the video? Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to tap the bell for more yummy recipes.